ni para mabalikan to tapos king contact ang iyang bata sa
Ship din
Christchurch.
nila diya sa New
Oo.
Zealand dyan.
Na-crash na siya sa France.
So, amo ning original nga engine sang what do you call that?
Spitfire.
Spitfire, British. 70 years after the war,
It crashed in France.
this engine was retrieved, and the pilot is Johnny Checkets.
So, ang iya son na dala sa Christchurch.
Namin na daw mga nakakapun.
Siya ni survivor siya sa dogfight, no, over Britain. Tawag siya na dogfight between German planes and British Spitfires. Survivor siya, nag-crash landing ang iyang Spitfire, but he was able to bail out.
Ang clay wala na lang nila ang mukha
And French people hid him and revived him because he was wounded. Na-rediscover gali ang crash site because there was a witness of the crash landing.
and saw him bail out. So through a local, they located the crash site in France. So they were able to excavate this engine, which was like 3.5 meters.
Yeah. Did you hear that in Alexi? Your mommy Joy-Ann just explained what happened.
I'm gonna tell you a story of this. I'm gonna show it to you, and I'm gonna tell you a story.
I've come to tell a story. Muna siya mga heroes of World War II. The British Spitfires and the British pilots. So diin siya sa Christchurch na siya nag-retire.
No, yung bata na sa Christ.
The son
Balik siya sa England.
the son of Jati Checkets live in New Zealand while here in Christchurch, while the father Johnny Checkets went back to England.
He died. Going back.
Try and aim the aeroplane at the balloon, and it's all right if you crash into the balloon because it'll automatically shoot that rocket. Keep your body still.
I'm missing it. I'm just passing by the button. Oh.
Yeah, it doesn't matter if you crash into the balloon.
I cannot be a pilot. Hey.
It's a bit learning curve, isn't it?
Keep your body still. Just use your arms like the wings on the aeroplane.
Okay.
World War II pa nangyari na nigali. Well, doon mo na kaklase na pa.